BIBIM AI is now coming to Archicad. AI-powered BIM workflows directly inside your project. From model data to real output in minutes. Open the project. Today we are testing finish quantity takeoff. Just click the tab at the top. BIBIM is already installed and ready to use. Open the settings, then let's use BIBIM with Closed Sonnet 4.6. Just connect your API key and you're ready to go. Tell BIBIM, calculate finish quantities for every zone. Read floor, wall, and ceiling finish properties. Use the zone surface areas and export everything to Excel. After confirmation, BIBIM starts reading the model. Done. All zone finishes are organized by material type with totals and subtotals automatically calculated. Let's open the Excel file. Floor, wall, ceiling, and summary sheets all separated automatically. Everything is already organized for ordering and review. Now for a follow-up request. Show only the stone tile joints at the 10% waste factor and copy the result to the clipboard. BIBIM remembers the previous result automatically. Finally, order list is done. Stone tile quantities, waste included, ready to paste directly into the quote. That probably saved me a few hours. Let's try BIBIM.